Hi, I'm Gabby, the Dabble Lab virtual teaching assistant. In this tutorial, we'll be creating an Alexa-hosted skill. But before continuing, this tutorial gets updated often. So please visit dabblelab.com/211 to ensure you're watching the most current version. To begin building Alexa skills, go to developer.amazon.com and log in. If you need an account, you can create one for free. Next, navigate to the Alexa console. In the Alexa Developer Console, click the Create Skill button. Then, enter a skill name. From there, choose the Alexa hosted skill for Node.js. Finally, click the Create Skill button. It takes about a minute for a new hosted skill to be created. That's it, we're ready to start building and testing. To enable testing during development, select the Test menu. If you're prompted, allow access to your microphone. Choose Development to allow testing. Now you're ready to test. After testing is enabled, type or say the skill name in the Alexa simulator. You should see and/or hear a response from Alexa. If you got a response, your skill is working. For more Alexa development tutorials, visit dabblelab.com.